Welcome to Ship4wd. In this tutorial, we're here to help you decide which payment option is best for you and show you exactly how to pay for your shipment. To pay for quotes you have previously searched, go to My Shipments on the top menu. Choose the shipping quote you would like to proceed with and click Submit Order. Once you've reviewed your order and agreed to our terms and conditions, go ahead and click Pay Now. This will bring up a pop-up where you can choose how to pay for your shipment. Which payment option is best for you? Let's break down the available choices, including fees and processing times, to help you make the right decision. You have three options to choose from: credit or debit card, direct debit or ACH debit, and offline bank transfer. First, the credit or debit card option. This is the fastest way to pay, with payment processed instantly, meaning your shipment is booked right away. However, keep in mind that this option comes with an additional 2.9% fee. Next, we have the direct debit or ACH debit option. This is a great choice if you prefer to pay directly from your bank account. It's a secure process, but it takes about 3 to 4 business days for the payment to be processed, so your order will be finalized once the payment clears. The good news is that there is no additional fees for this option. Lastly, there's the offline bank transfer option. This method also doesn't include any additional fees. You'll manually transfer the funds to Ship4wd's bank account. This typically takes about 1 to 2 business days for the payment to process, so keep that in mind when planning your shipment. To recap, credit or debit card is instant with an additional 2.9% fee. Direct debit or ACH debit takes 3 to 4 business days with no fees. And online bank transfer takes 1 to 2 business days, also with no fees. Now, let's dive into each option and show you how it works. Let's start with the credit or debit card option. If you choose this method, simply enter your credit card details and click Continue. Your payment will be processed instantly, and your shipment will be booked immediately. Next, for direct debit or ACH debit, click Connect Account to link your bank account. You'll be taken to your bank's website to log into your account and select the account from which you would like to proceed with the payment. Click Continue to finalize the payment. Finally, if you choose offline bank transfer, you'll see the bank details you'll need to transfer the payment. Click Copy Details to easily copy the information and complete the transfer from your bank. And that's it. Once your payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation, and your shipment will be on its way. Choosing the right payment option has never been easier. Thanks for using Ship4wd. If you have any questions, our support team is always here to help. Happy shipping!